She's a Bennett Wallaby. That's why she's smaller.
Albino.
Yeah, I bet she is albino.
Which is
There's Sid holding a kangaroo. It's a what?
wallaby.
A wallaby. And there's the person that takes care of the wallaby. I'm the video person.
Marsupial.
My favorite kind of animal. She's like 2 years old.
She's still a baby.
Yeah, she is.
She's just a little baby. That's why she's still a pouch.
Yeah, she's the sweetest.
Hey, look at the
Her
camera.
eyesight must not be
Look at the
good.
camera.
It's still pretty decent, even though she's an albino. She can still see pretty well.
Yeah, but like not as good.
Yeah, not as good.
Because albinos can't. Because the red eyes.
They just have problems with lights.
Yeah.